How to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 failing to start. So if you want to fix your Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 failing to start, then first what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Steam. Once you launch your Steam application, you need to go with your library, which will be in the top left. Once you're in your library, here you will have your Microsoft Flight Simulator, right? You need to go with Microsoft Flight Simulator. Once you find it, you need to right click on that and then go with properties. Once you're in your properties, you need to go with install files and then go with the verify integrity of game files. Once you do that, just wait for a few seconds and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with browse, which will be on the right side. And from here, you'll find a .exe folder. Once you find the .exe folder, you need to right click on it and you'll find the option of properties. You need to click on properties. Once you click on properties, you need to go with compatibility, which will be on the right side, and then go with disable full screen optimizations, and then go with apply and OK. After that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with Steam, which will be on the left, and then go with settings. Now, once you're in your settings, you will get this kind of interface. Then you need to go with the downloads section. Then you want to make sure that you have your region selected. And if you don't see your region, you will have to select some region that is close to yours. Once you've done this, you need to just simply scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of clear cache. You need to just simply go and clear the cache. And you can also clear some storage as well. Go with confirm and that's it. This will fix most of your issues. But if that doesn't, then it's most likely issue with your graphics card. If you have the NVIDIA application, you can just simply go and update your graphics drivers. Or you can also search for a device manager. Once you find the device manager, you need to click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here you need to go with display adapters and you'll find the graphics card right here. Right click on it and then go with update driver. After updating your drivers, hopefully this fixes your issue. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.